Hey, what's up, my friend? It's Philip Johansen here, and thank you for checking out my page. So listen, what if there was a way that you could jump straight into results and make guru money without any of the headache? We are talking about 1,000 all the way up to $5,000 or more per day without you needing to build funnels, websites, domains, connecting domains, have copywriting skills, have people skills, or write emails, or have authority or experience, and even 0 followers on social media. Yeah, guys. So listen, before I jump into what it is, I want to share a quick story about me so you know where I'm coming from. So listen, guys, I was sick and tired of my 9 to 5, like you probably are when you are sitting here and watching this video. And I was sitting in a traffic jam for 3 hours every day, back and forth to work. And I was sitting there and I thought there gotta be more to life than sitting here. And then when I'm at work, I'm working my butt off to make somebody else rich. Can you relate to that? And I knew there was something else out there, but I didn't know what. And it actually drove me into a big depression. And I started hanging with the wrong people. I started abusing drugs and steroids and alcohol and a lot of parties, all of those three things combined. Yeah, guys, I'm not very proud of it, but it actually got so bad, so I ended in the hospital, and the doctor told me that my kidney number was higher than a cancer patient, and I didn't care, even while my body was shutting down. I went out, took more drugs, more steroids, more party, until one day my family slapped me in the face and said, Philip, what the F are you doing? Can you see all of these people are getting sad if you die from an early age? And listen, guys, seeing my mom like that, especially my mom, crying, it changed everything for me, like everything. In that moment, I found my purpose, what I what I was here for, and that was to help and provide for my family. And for that they did right there. They probably saved me from dying in a pretty early age. And for that, I wanted to give them everything, and I mean everything. So, like many of you guys, I went on the internet and searched how to make money online, right? How to make money online, and I felt for the big money screenshots. I fell for the Lamborghinis you see all over social media, and I sucked it in. Okay, I was a big sucker for it, and a lot of you guys are probably also. So 100% I can relate to it, because deep down that's what we want, right? We want that kind of life, and we want that kind of money, either to go out there and buy the things yourself, or to give the people you love what you think they deserve, right? So listen, guys, I failed for 2 years online, and I didn't make a single dime for 2 years. Okay, and I bought countless of $7 and $37 programs, and I bought countless $500 programs, and I bought countless of coaching programs. And whenever I got into any of these coaching programs and paid them a lot of money, then they were nowhere to be seen, right? I was in the Facebook group asking question, and either I got a wake question, or either they didn't respond, or some of were even a week to respond me, and that's not what I paid for. And listen, guys, I ended up losing everything. I was $20,000 in debt, because the mentors just told me, just keep going, just keep going, just keep going. Buy more stuff, buy more ads, buy more solo ads, buy more Facebook ads, buy more YouTube ads. And I ended up losing $20,000, and I lost my girlfriend, and I lost my house, and I had to sell my car because I had no more money. And the only thing I had was a basement apartment. I had to move into a basement apartment, and the only thing I had was a computer and a bed and an internet connection. That was the only thing I had. And I hit a rock bottom right there. Okay, I lost everything in this journey of becoming successful online. And I was sitting there on the bed, and I told myself, okay, I can either sit there and blame everybody else for the situation I am in, or I can take full responsibility and go all in. So I thought that my mom couldn't see me like that. So I decided to try one more time, right? One more time and go all in. And I bought a mentor, the right mentor. I found the right mentor, and I implemented his method and I went on to make almost $10,000 in 30 days and then on to $233,000 the 6 months later and become the top 5% affiliate, one of the top marketers in this affiliate marketing space. And I'm not saying that to brag, guys, because I'm saying that to hopefully inspire you, because you can do the same. Okay, if you have a deep why you want to be successful, why you want to make money online, okay, I want you to grab on to that and then seize it with all you got. Okay, so listen, guys, no matter how much you failed, no matter how much you tried, I have the solution for you right here inside the 7-Figure Accelerator. This program is created for all of you that are tired of being stuck and being stung by gurus and just want something that is simple and easy to do. This program is something I created in mind for something that I wanted when I started out. So what's included in the 7-Figure Accelerator? Pretty much everything. Okay, you get to partner with me, so I do 95% of all of the work for you. Okay, I set up the funnels, I set up the domain, I write the copywriting, I do the marketing materials, I do the sales skills. Okay, I will do the selling for you. Okay, I will write the emails, I will set up the emails for you, I will connect you with my private offers so you make $1,000 all the way up to $5,000 per sale. Okay, and then I'm even giving you 55% commission if you choose to promote my programs. If you are a normal affiliate marketer, you make around 30 or 40%. Okay, if you are lucky and very rare, you make 50% commission. I give you 55% commission. Okay, so listen, guys, you can get started with this if you have 0 skills, if you have 0 tech skills, okay, if you have 0 people skills, if you have 0 followers on social media, because I'm going to teach you how to use Instagram, okay, and do these Instagram reels to fuel this funnel I built for you with free traffic, so you don't risk any of your money on it. Okay, and I have students that have taken this system and my methods and generated all from $3,000 to $5,000 in their first 30 days by doing this, and some are now making $40,000 a month and multiple 6 figures. So listen, guys, I want to give you everything I learned without you having to go through the same learning curve that I did. Okay, I know this video might get a little bit long, but I want to be transparent here with you and actually tell you how it is. Okay, so not only do you get all of that, but you also get access to me. I'm gonna coach you, I'm gonna mentor you, because I want to be the guy that says that I got you to $10,000 a month or $20,000 a month or $50,000 a month, or let's go all the way to 100K a month. Right? Not, why not? Right, guys? So listen, guys, I'm not like all of the other gurus you see out there. I answer people pretty much within hours. I help my students. I even record them videos when I go over their stuff, okay, private videos, so I actually send them over privately so people can improve and get the results they want, okay, extremely fast, okay? We want speed. So listen, guys, I am so sure that whenever I build this out for you and tell you exactly how to generate the traffic, you don't even have to come up with content ideas yourself in order to do it, okay? I have done it for you. So you only need to copy and paste exactly what I tell you to do. And that's exactly why I have so many successful students, because I make it easy and simple. Okay? So yeah, guys, I am so sure that what I got can help anybody, regardless if you're 16 years old or 77 years old. I have helped everybody. I have helped other plumbers, carpenters, truck drivers, college students, policemen. I have helped any form for people to make money online with this system. And that's why I am so sure that regardless of where you are at in your journey, if you get my help and my training and I build the funnel for you, I am so sure that you will get results. And if for some reason you don't see results, I pay you $10,000 of my own money to you just for your troubles. Okay? Nobody in the entire industry have such a guarantee. Why? because they don't truly believe what they got can help anybody. I truly believe that what I got can help anybody, and that's why I'm risking my own money on the line here to help you get the results that you want, because you have a why. You have people that you want to support. You maybe want to support your mom or your spouse, and you are sick and tired saying no, going out for dinner every weekend, but that's what you want because you love your wife or your husband, and you just want the life of freedom as quickly as possible. The 7-Figure Accelerator is for you. And to throw in more, I'm even sharing with you what I learned after investing $72,000 into a mentor. Yes, $72,000. And this I'm teaching you in here. There is barely anybody knowing it, okay? And this can make you $30,000 in 90 days or less. So listen guys, this is a bonus, and the price is discounted right now 50% off, because this is a new launch, okay, a complete new launch. So the first 100 people get my exclusive bonuses and a $2,000 discount. That's 50% off. So yeah guys, listen, if you're sick and tired of the situation you are in right now, you hold on to your why, okay, and then you go all in. Trust your gut and click the button below this video right now, and then I hope to see you inside of the 7-Figure Accelerator. Let's get it. Click the button below.